Hello guys, and welcome to this series of videos on the MBED compiler. The MBED's microcontroller that we will use for a lot of our embedded systems design, prototyping, testing, and learning. So this video is just going to get us started with getting set up with the MBED device online. Okay, so the great thing about the MBED platform is all you need is an internet browser to use it. Okay, so you don't have to download and install any software. It's an online web-based platform or compiler that we call it for developing code, testing code, and troubleshoot. So what we just got to do, this is the sort of main web page here. So listen, a quick Google search. If you just type in MBED, it'll be one of the first ones that pop up, but I'll share a link with you guys. So you click into it. What you'll need to do is we're looking to go into the compiler. Okay, so click into the compiler, and then look, it's going to ask you to sign in. Now you'll need to create an account first. So usual sort of setup. Add in an email address, username. So use your student email address. Click confirm, and it will create an account for you. Okay, now the thing is you will have to verify it. So check your email and basically make sure you then verify it on that side. It might take a minute or two, maybe check your junk email and things like that. But then once you confirm the email address, you'll be able to sign in. Okay, so I'm just going to sign in here. Okay, so once you type in your email and your password, it will allow you to sign in, and you'll pretty much have a blank platform. Okay, so just to give you a quick run through on the space here, most of your programs will be stored on the left here. So all the programs that you've worked on. The key thing to keep in mind is any task you do, you'll have a new program for it. Okay. So you'll have a kind of feature tree or a folder structure there that will allow you to view different projects that you're working on, different tasks. And then in the center here is where you'll do most of your coding. Okay. The first thing that we need to do when we are getting set up is to select the correct device that we are using. Okay, so there's a lot of different devices, different controllers, and different platforms that you could be using. But what we're using in your kits, your student kits that you'll have got, is a particular type of microcontroller. Okay, so what we're going to do here is, sorry, I just did that a wee bit quicker. We're going to select the device up here. Okay, so we'll click on the device. It says no device selected. So we're going to go ahead and add the board. So it'll pop up with all these different development boards, different kits that MBED have. Now, what we can just do nicely here is just do a search. So LPC, what are we, 1768. Okay, so this is the board reference that we're using. So LPC 1768, do a quick search on that, and there it is there. So it should look like the MBED that you have in front of you. So we'll click on this. It should open up, gives us a little bit of information. It goes through the board layout with us, with the pins, which is very important, and we'll be discussing that in class. So you can read a wee bit of information about it, but essentially what we want to do is we want to add this into our MBED compiler. So we're going to click that, and then the platform has been added to our account. Okay, so all going well. If we go back here and do a quick refresh of the page, you will see we've got the MBED LPC 1768 selected. Again, we can get that nice information from it. Can't stress how important this diagram will be. We'll be using that quite a bit. And yeah, that's a setup to get our initial board up and running and to start doing some practicals. So again, just follow the links provided, create an account, and then log in, verify your email, and basically make sure you add in the correct board.